All right, we are out here at Parker 400, so pretty exciting. So Jordan and I have been racing this race for 10-15 years, coming out here for 20, and we missed it last year. They didn't have it. So it's a really fun, iconic race. I believe this is the 50th anniversary. Yep. Martelli's got going here at the Unlimited Series, so happy to be here.
Very cool because it's different this year, or should I say the same, because we're back on the crit land. We're right by the blue water, and we're in the main pits. This is where we used to race all the time. You can see the infield. It's a lot more fun. It's easier access for people to get to. We're here at the Unlimited race, and it's really cool to be back here in the pits that we're used to.
You know, there's I believe 20 entries roughly, maybe 17 entries for the spec truck. So that's a pretty solid list here. The 6100 Unlimited spec class is just growing like crazy, and you know we're pretty excited. We had 3 in the top 6, so we took second, 4th, 5th, and 6th.
Second, 5th, and 6th.
Second,
yeah.
5th, and 6th. So we've got some phenomenal starts, and we're ready for Team Brenthel to go out there and kick some ass today.
Excellent lineup, and we're looking to have a freight train toward the front.
Sorry. Hey, what's up? We are here at Parker, Arizona, getting ready to start the Parker 400. Well, the first lap we will try just to keep behind the car in front of us, just stay close to him. So on the second lap, when he starts catching up the slower cars in the front, he will be at the same visibility with the dust. So we will try to pass him, but basically we are going to try to go fast but take care of the track to make to the finish.